My name is Hakeem Mohammed. I work with Wosbab filling station. When this place was established, so we think of how do we generate our power, because we know about the power epileptic and we don't want to have many issues with NEPA and all that. So we got to know about GenX. So GenX really promised us that at least they will give us the inverter that will power all the system that is here, that will not have any issue. My management decided to go with them. They are able to install the inverter for us since when this place was commissioned. So mostly we use inverter for all what we are using at the building. Our filling station is a mega filling station, it's not just small filling station. We have about 9 pumps with 18 nozzles. And we use this inverter to power it. It does not stop there. The building, we have a plaza which we let out to some people, and those people too, they are of high capacity. They have their ACs, lights, everything is being powered by this solar system. So, and apart from that, we sell token to them, which will generate more money for the company through the power that we are using as well. This inverter has been working fine perfectly since that time. We really enjoy it, and it's a big inverter that at least carry almost everything. All of us can be on it at the same time and we don't have any issue. And at the same time, they created a chat group which we can just communicate with them easily without wasting time that, okay, we have any issue like this, and they normally respond on time. We'll be stress-free. At least I recommend to anybody that will to go on high scale, either for business or industrial level. GenX is the best.